Morning guys, how y'all doing? Well, I'm going to do some more work on that 90 today, and just some simple little things just to see if we can't make it a little bit better. And it's pretty much a waiting game for some parts to come in. I'm just about done with this thing. Let me show you what I've got going on. Okay, I took some of this foam that I found and cut it and put it around the battery. Just keep that from bouncing around in there. So that's good. And I'm going to draw my attention to this kill switch. You may remember me saying that I was working on it. When we got the machine, it didn't have one. However, the internal switch worked. And I made this little thing out of some sort of lightweight steel, aluminum I think. And it works, but the problem is it spins. So I've got to figure out a way to keep that from spinning or make a different button or something. So that's where I'm drawing my attention today. And when I get something figured out, I'll show you what's going on. I think I'm going to take it apart, open it up, and look at the inside, see if there's something I can do from inside, because I don't want it to fall off. I don't like that screw right there because I don't trust it. I think it'll fall off out in the field. Anyway, that's where we're at. I'll keep you up to speed. Alright guys, here's what that switch looks like when you take it apart. There's a little cover that fits in there and covers everything up. Oh, there it goes like that. And a screw in it. Anyway, the actual kill switch itself, my hand's out of the sun, it's just this little box thing. And if I can get the light right, you can see there's a hole that goes all the way through it, which will allow me to put a screw through there, which is good. And you can see the hole has got a cutout in it. And so what I've decided to do is put a screw through there, and I took some hard plastic that I had and took my Dremel and dremeled it down to make this makeshift button. And it's hard enough plastic that I could drill a hole in it and actually self-tap a Allen head screw in it. And the problem with this is it's still going to want to pivot, right? So what I did about that is I took a little piece of banding that comes from manufacturers. You know, when you get a shipment of something in on a pallet, it might be banded with this metal banding. I took a little piece of this and my Dremel, and I finessed this little watchmaker's nightmare of a little clip. And I'm going to try to hold it so you can see how I've done that. Anyway, it's got a bend in it that's narrow enough to fit down in that lower slot there. And then it's got a ridge on it that will hold up. And the button will slide back and forth on that, preventing it from being able to twist. Okay, so I'm going to put it together and see if it actually works. Okay, so I got that thing working. And the way the light's hitting that is probably a blur to you, but I ended up having to remake it out of a piece of aluminum window channel just so I could get more length out of it. And it actually functions. So I'm going to show you. Ta-da! Alright, so I'm done with that. It's better than spending $50 for a new switch if you can find one. So there you go.